Somewhere in a garage right now, someone is staring at a Honda Dax with a spanner in one hand and an existential crisis in the other. That someone might be you. Welcome to the club. Meet the Honda Dax ST50. Born in 1969, built like a small, stubborn ox, which is literally what Dax means, and specifically designed, it seems, to make grown adults question every life choice that led them to this moment. It's adorable, it's iconic, and it will absolutely humble you. Honda looked at conventional motorcycle frames and said, what if we just did one big tube instead? The result was the Dax's legendary backbone frame, a single spine-like structure that made the whole thing impossibly compact and infinitely cool. Paired with those fat little tires, the pressed steel frame, and an engine roughly the size of a decent cantaloupe, the Dax became an instant cult classic across Europe, Japan, and anywhere humans have good taste. Now, the workshop experience. Honda will tell you this bike is simple. Honda is not lying, but Honda is also not the one crouching on a cold concrete floor at 9 p.m. with a headlamp strapped to their forehead, trying to locate a 6 millimeter bolt that has escaped into another dimension. The Dax's compact design is charming on the road and diabolical on the workbench. Everything is close together, suspiciously close, as if Honda engineers designed it specifically for hands the size of a 10-year-old. The carburetor sits there looking innocent while you contort yourself like a budget yoga instructor just to get at the fuel screw. You know, you're a Dax person when you've bought the same gasket twice because you were convinced you'd lost the first one. You hadn't. It was just hiding. When you've described a 49C engine rebuild as just a quick afternoon job and your partner hasn't spoken to you since, when you've Googled the same torque spec 4 times, because surely that can't be right. The Honda Dax ST50 is a masterpiece, wrapped in a puzzle, wrapped in grease, wrapped in pure two-wheeled joy. It deserves to be ridden, it deserves to be restored, and it absolutely deserves better than you guessing. Do yourself a favor, head to my50.com, download the free manual, and walk back into that workshop like you actually know what you're doing. Your Dax will thank you. Your sanity will thank you even more. Honda Dax ST50, the bike that laughs at your spanner collection. Small bike, big soul, no excuses.